Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign into the Google account tied to your YouTube channel. This is the control point for two-factor protection. Once signed in, navigate to Security in your Google account settings to find two-step verification. You need a verified phone number or an authenticator app ready. This is how Google proves it is really you. Start the two-step verification setup now. It prevents unauthorized access by requiring a second factor beyond your password. You choose the second factor method based on convenience and security. Authenticator apps generate time-based codes that are more secure than SMS, but SMS works in a pinch. Install Google Authenticator or Authy and scan the QR code shown. Once added, enter the 6-digit code to verify. Add backup codes and a secondary phone so you can regain access if your primary device is lost. This layered approach reduces lockout risk and hardens your channel from takeover. You finish by enabling two-step verification and testing a sign-in to confirm the flow works as expected. Try signing out and back in to verify codes. Store backup codes where you can access them offline or save them in a trusted password manager. This is crucial. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use your backup codes or the account recovery options in Google's security settings to regain access. If recovery fails, contact Google support with account verification ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.